As a team manager, your goal is to keep your team performing well. After all, it's the only way the business you work for can stay ahead of the competition. Every team that consistently performs well offers a competitive advantage, and naturally, you want to contribute to that success. But how can you be sure your team's performance remains top-notch? Well, you can use key performance indicators, or KPIs, that measure the progress made toward your preset goals. And to get extra insight, consider dividing those KPIs into two different types: leading and lagging. Using both leading and lagging KPIs helps you create the most accurate picture of business performance. Their metrics will inform you if your team is on the right track toward meeting business goals, and where changes must be made if you stray from the track. During this course, you'll learn the differences between leading and lagging KPIs, how to recognize specific types of leading and lagging KPIs, and how to use them to reflect on current and future business events.